Learn powerful tools for transformation that will engage your students, keep them in flow, and accelerate their learning. I'm going to show you what they are and how to use them. Hi, my name's John. How's it going? I've been teaching for 7 years professionally and invested literally thousands of hours and dollars in educating myself in the art of learning and teaching. I promise you're going to get great value from this course because you're going to learn things, the most powerful tools known to man, with clear instructions on how to use them, and that's the key. Once you apply them in your lessons, your learners will be meeting with success in no time. You'll have everyone around you just doing it and getting it. Parents, colleagues, and potential students will be saying things like, "Whoa, can you show me how to do that?" And you'll have complete control over the classroom and the learner's outcomes. You'll be able to effortlessly and seamlessly adapt your teaching style to meet the learners where they are, so nobody gets left behind. You'll have complete confidence in your students and in yourself, and people and learners will be saying things like, "Whoa, that was the best lesson I ever had." The time will go by quickly and nobody will get bored. So use these methods and models taught in this course. You can apply them to your learning and your teaching. They're literally so foundational they can be used to teach anything from flying a helicopter to riding a unicycle backwards. So no matter who you are or what you teach, you're going to get true transformation from this course. You'll become a master in your area of expertise and be able to quickly and easily apply yourself to new situations and get the results you want. So thanks for watching. Check out a few previews if you like, or if you're ready, join me, get amongst it. Let's start making a difference. I'll see you in the course. We play with it. We don't drop it, we don't keep moving. Don't you stop now.